Home buyers are regaining some negotiating power in today's housing market. So I want to give a quick recap of some of the things you can negotiate during a home sale. First one is we all think of is price. This one is pretty straightforward, so there's nothing to talk about. Another real common one is repairs. After the inspections, buyers can ask the seller to tackle a repair or give them a credit to do it themselves. But did you know a buyer can also ask for fixtures or appliances, help with closing costs, a home warranty, or a specific closing date? If you're buying a house, it's worth knowing what you can ask for so you feel empowered going into your purchase. And if you're selling one, you need to know what may come up so you can think about what you'll be able to discuss. Now, if you're stressed about the negotiating side of things, lean on me. I've done this more than times that I can count, and I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.